Hello, fragrance specialists. My name is Chance. Welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another essential oil breakdown. Today we're looking at really the creme de la creme of scents. We're looking at the rose, almost universally regarded as one of the most bougie scents out there, for lack of a better term, of course. And it reflects it in the price tag. For a 5 milliliter bottle of legitimate rose oil, you're looking at like the $200 range. I personally don't own any rose for reasons of my own. I find it's not particularly an oil that works well with a lot of the blends I have. Also, that price tag is one heck of a deterrent. The benefit, however, is a little goes a really long way with rose, and most practicing aromatherapists have at least some in stock. It really is a nice smell, but I don't know, for personal reasons, I typically avoid it. So, in any case, before we move into its profile here, always consult your doctor before use. Although most essential oils are safe, better to make sure you're not sensitive to them. Now let's move on. Its scent is most commonly described as having a floral and sweet aroma. Of course, you've probably smelt rose at some point in your life, so you probably already have a pretty good idea of what you're getting into. Under uses, you'll see depression, eczema, frigidity, mature skin, menopause, and stress. I find the stress is probably what most people use it for, but that, of course, is just speculation on my part. Method of extraction, you'll see steam distilled, and it blends well with bergamot, jasmine, lavender, lemon, orange, sandalwood, and ylang. I'd probably throw lime in there as well, maybe bitter orange too, just to kind of balance out that incredible sweetness. But overall, that list is pretty bang on. Under notes, you'll just see very strong and concentrated. Once again, a little goes a long way, so you're really better off using it quite frugally, for lack of a better term. Now let's dive into its history. The flowers are renowned for their fine fragrance and are commercially harvested for rose oil used in perfumery and to make rose water and rose concrete. The French crusader Robert de Brie, who took part in the siege of Damascus in 1148 at the Second Crusade, is sometimes credited for bringing the Damascus rose from Syria to Europe. Very interesting stuff there, so a little bit of controversial history, as it were. But the rose is, of course, virtually universally recognized for not only its fragrance, but its vibrant flowering and presence in general. It's been written about in poetry for hundreds and hundreds of years, so it's a pretty famous plant as far as plants go. Now let's quickly take a look at a simple recipe here. This is just a mood elevating bath. 3 drops Clary Sage, 2 drops rose, 2 drops lime, 3 drops patchouli, and 3 drops geranium, and mix that all together and add in 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, and just mix into a bath and soak for about half an hour or so, and just relax, breathe deep, and of course make sure you're practicing proper dilution and best practices. So do a quick test patch, just make sure you're not going to react to it, stuff like that. In any case, if you have any thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns about the rose, please do put it down beneath in the comment section. And if you are looking to purchase this oil or refill your existing stock, please do so using Rocky Mountain Oils, links down beneath in the description. They're a great company and it goes a long way towards supporting the channel. And of course, I hope you have a great day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.